development matin. Gimachielo ma wan godo ma sleeping giant man gen lake. Sani lake olil. Wild catch onge. Sani kidhi Nyandiwa kuonde lake region go. Idhi mana nyiewo ring'o sani. Rech onge oserumo. Rech go biro Nairobi. Okidhi yudo rech e dho nam. Nikech rech thin. Yomiyo rech thin, wild catch odok piny nikech nam olil. Kiland Kisumu tineno ka nam brown. Ntiere one of the experts mar rech wacho ni sewage. Rech ok nyada kanyo. What they can do, ginyuolore kanyo nikech chiemo ng'eny. Then gi move, gidhi Tanzania kuonde maler Uganda kucho. Koro jobe kokoros no dhi kocha to Museveni go gi bunde. Ok nyal dhi ko Uganda kucho. So the first thing monengo ti mondo mi develop obi Nyanza, Sharon. 2007 kono wuok e university. 2007 was the only time mane ji oneno ka lot of professionals no bire politics. Even though politics mar ODM no mess a lot of people up. Manok gidonyo. Most of them from diaspora kuonde no odok, they were really frustrated. Sani neno ka politics mar gunism ni. Ingeni politics mar gunism ni is deliberate to prevent professionals from coming to politics. Kech ngat moro madwaro just sell his policy, talk to people, he doesn't want to bribe people. Bingeni onge gima undermine human dignity kaka bribe. Ni jaduong maduong man gidala ni 1,000. It means that yani ngano is helpless. A whole human being who has lived for over 50 years. Biro kuwa is 1,000. What is it portraying to that community? You understand? Koro gik machalo bribe, gunism, gigi, they are there to support leaders who have no vision. Onengo sani joluo manyocha dwaro telo ma jok ma nyalo lead the community obie politics. Ina no wakili. Ngata manigi desire to help the people obi nekech kata jogi tim nade, they are not going to control the people. Nina no gimotimore olkala. People are very intelligent now. They will eat your money, they will vote with their brains. Koro onengo wa yed jotelo madwaro dongruok ne Nyanza. Namcha onengo luoki, onengo bekete maler. Gimanie bwo namno, Sharon, is wealth moko nyatieko. Since God created the world, rivers are throwing things in the lake. Gold, ango, nini, organic fertilizer, gigonia bona mkanyo. Ka gigo bedo clean, the amount of employment madhi bedo that lake region can. The lake is not only for fishing. The lake is used for recreation, sports. The lake is used for transport. The lake is used for so many things. One lake in Manalupo. Jionge pesa. People have no capacity to joke around. Nijitemo skiing, ango, nini, boat racing. Yani kidenyo. Ionge idwa mana chiemo. Koro wadwaro ni telo ma Nyanza ochak lokore mondo one gi economic potential maonge community mango. One gi minerals, one gi lake, one gi agricultural potential to wasomo be. One gi the idea to bring up serious sustainable economic ideas and plans. Ingeni na sewache TV ni mang'eny ni economic blocks ochakore gi wan emanu wakelo ingeni mondo mi expand economy nyakibedi ga wider area. Joluo mano figure out that we need to have an economic block that is touching on so that we have a wider market. Kataki produce gimoro locally. So in one the largest economic block and LREC 14 counties. Inano koro gimoro moro se bedo figured out. Visionary leadership e makorodo. Ka ODM is not going to provide that visionary leadership. Inano ngato kaka Dr. Mol. He's not a politician. He's an expert. And he's doing an amazing job. In fact, in the whole of leadership Manyanza, ngamakonyo Ruto genuinely and Dr. Mol. Which is giving him numbers and ngamotimo statistics. Registration masani timore Nyanza, majio ka okura inenano kaka numbers wani malo. IDs nini, ene motimo. Jomodong gito ginagin emotional and kwanza county mojoga in Migori. And politics 24 hours. To gina koro gichalo nyithindo. Oyundi sijui ango. Nini sijui nini. Instead of government sitting down and planning and developing, onge county marich Nyanza kanya kaka Migori. One gi gold, one gi the whole county is agricultural. as agricultural potential. To mondo mi koro ng'ani develop, mondo jogi obed piny mondo develop. This person who wants to be governor is a member of parliament. This other one is a governor. These are leaders. They're supposed to sit and plan the region and develop the region so that the development record speaks for them. Lakini koro gionge gima ginyalo nyiso ji, ginyiso ji gimilore mila ka nyithindo mathindo. Dhi dala koso ok dhi. Oyundi sijui nini. Kia ang'o what kind of nonsense.